In the last section, we spoke about how we need to set up a little bit different Docker file for the client project this time around, just because we need to customize the way in which Nginx behaves. And specifically, we want to make sure that it listens on port 3000. So to get this working, we're going to find our client project, and we're going to first write out a little configuration file specifically for that Nginx server. So for the Nginx server, I'm going to make a new file inside of the client project, and I'm going to call it Nginx. And then inside there, we'll make a new file called default.conf. We don't specifically have to make the nested folder here. I just thought that it would be really clear that, oh, inside the Nginx folder are files that are related to the Nginx server that hosts the client project. So now inside of here, we're going to put down a little bit of configuration that looks very similar to some of the configuration we put together on the Nginx project previously. So I'll say server is going to listen on port 3000. So as you might imagine, that's kind of the magic sauce right there. That's going to make sure that Nginx listens on port 3000 and serves up the React production files from there instead of the default of port 80. And then on here, we are also going to set up a routing rule. So we're going to say anytime someone comes to the root route, we're going to set a root of user share Nginx HTML. And as you'll recall, that's where we're going to put all of our production assets. We'll also set up an index directive, and we'll say that it's going to be our index HTML